Okay, by request 7 number 37, graph this polynomial. And as we stated in class, you want to pre-factor. So this is x squared times x squared plus 4. Now, be aware, this is non-factorable, right? It's a sum of squares, so that does not factor. So you're pretty much done there. Now you're going to list out your x-intercepts. I'm going to build a little table, the x-intercepts versus their multiplicities versus their behavior. Now, this is a unique example. The x-intercepts, that very first one, this guy right here, gives us the x-intercept of 0. And its multiplicity is the power on that. So multiplicity of 2. So it behaves like x squared, or in other words, because it's even, it's going to bounce. The graph's going to bounce off of that. The oddball here is this second factor. To turn the polynomial into 0 with this factor, you would need x squared plus 4 to become 0, which cannot happen because that would require x squared to equal -4, which just will not happen. So we don't have any other x-intercepts. But we still do have some work ahead of us because we still have to figure out what is the degree of our polynomial. If you think about multiplying, actually, if you just look at this, degree of the polynomial is 4. And so because the degree of the polynomial is 4, it's going to act very much like x to the fourth, or maybe I should say x squared, because that's how we've been writing it in class. So x squared, which means the end behavior is like an up-up situation. That's pretty much all I need. I will plot the x-intercept at 0. I know that it's going to be up and up. And I know that it's going to want to approach that x-intercept at 0. It's going to bounce off of it and continue to climb. It'll look kind of like this. Not exactly like this, but this is how we are going to graph it in this class. In calculus, you do a lot more with this, but this is as good as this problem gets. You can't do anything else with it. Nothing else.